So look, there is news. Skool just announced a $9 per month plan where you can open a Skool community. Skool is an app that can host your course, your community. There is a community forum for your members, right? Your coaching calls, and it charges your members monthly subscriptions. So it's an all-in-one app that you can use to run a membership program, and you have your members paying you monthly subscriptions so you can have a recurring income. You can open your Skool now for only $9 per month. And the Skool used to have a $99 per month program, right? So they had a higher price, and now they created a hobby plan. And in this video, I'm gonna explain you the difference between both plans and how you should start your own Skool, your own membership program, and get the first few members paying you. And I'll quickly tell you this as well, that I just created a $17 per month community on Skool as well, right here, where I teach you how to create your membership offer, set up your Skool correctly, and sign the first few members paying you. Check the link down below. You can join my Skool and get guidance and support on your journey of creating recurring income. I'll maybe talk more about this at the end of the video, but let's talk now about the difference between the $9 plan and the $99 per month plan, right? So the biggest difference is that on a $99 per month plan, you pay the lowest transactions fees, right? Like even comparing to Stripe, Kajabi, or other platforms, right? You only pay 2.9% on each fee of each subscription that a member paid, right? So if someone pays you $50 per month, you're gonna pay to Skool 2.9%, which is like a few bucks, right? $1 or $2. If you have a $9 Skool, you're gonna pay 10% out of your 50 that members pay you, for example. So you're gonna pay $5 out of 50 for each member, meaning you're paying a little more to Skool now if you are doing the $9 hobby plan with them, right? The challenge here is it allows you, the $9 plan allows you to start with low cost. $9 per month is very affordable, right? But if you have now 5, 10, 15 people paying you, you're gonna be paying 10% of the income that you make with your membership Skool program, right? You're gonna pay 10% to Skool. So later, when you're gonna sign 10, 15, 20 members, you would rather start paying $99 a month, right? If you go to hundreds of members paying you $50 a month, that's $5K per month. 10% would be $500, right, on a $9 plan, right? Imagine $500 paying to Skool. Instead, you would just switch to the $99 plan, and you wouldn't pay 10% of fees to Skool. You would just pay 2.9%, right? And you would switch. Now, the $9 plan, comparing to the $99 plan, for $99 a month, you also get the affiliate feature, and you also get pro plugins, right? Through which you can automate a few more things related to your Skool membership program, right? But affiliate feature is key because I grow right now by the word of mouth. I have my members who refer me more members, and if someone came through a referral, I give my member 40% commission, which Skool handles, right? So I am incentivizing my members to refer me more members, and I give a percentage to this person who referred another person, right? This affiliate feature is only available on a $99 per month plan. So, but you don't really need this at the beginning to get it all up and sign the first few members, right? Only then you switch and you transition to the higher plan if you would like to start utilizing the affiliate feature, for example, right? Also, pro plugins, right? For example, auto DM members is only available on $99 a month. For example, when someone pays you, you want to auto DM them and tell them, hey, begin here, introduce yourself, stuff like that. Zapier connection is only available on $99 plan. It's not available on $9 a month plan. Zapier connection allows you to, for example, someone pays you as a member, it sends the data to your CRM or your email marketing software, and it tags that person. You can tag that person then a paid member and stuff like that, right? And a few more those plugins are not available on a $9 plan. So there are a few, you see, differences, right? But if you are on a, let's say let's not say on a budget, right? But if you are starting creating your membership membership program in a little slower manner, right, as a hobby, as a side thing, right, just begin on a $9 per month plan and then you're gonna upgrade or so, right? Now, everything else is similar in both plans. You get unlimited courses, unlimited members, and what else? All other features, right, of Skool are available on both plans, right? So the $9 a month is just a nice entry door for you to start running your membership program. Because when I started a year and a half ago, $99 a month for somebody who's not making money with the program yet is quite kind of a cost, and you're always like figuring out then how to sign the first 3, 5, 7 members paying you so you can cover that cost, right? And now on a $9 plan, it's just $9 is nothing, right? And you are not under stress now that you really need to sign paying members. So it gives you more longevity, you have more time, you're more free to grow your membership program, right? So, you know, that's the biggest differences here, right? Now here I'm gonna make an invitation. I am a membership launch coach. I teach people how to start their membership programs using the Skool app. When you open your Skool on a $9 plan or a $99 a month plan and you use my invitation link, you get access to me. I am gonna then support you and guide you on your growth journey. If I see that you opened your Skool via my link, I'll give you some guidance. But here we can combine you opening your Skool with you also joining my 17 a month program. I created a 1-7 a month community where we all support one another inside the community. I also have a course of how you create your membership offer and how you sign and how you open Skool and optimize it so you're ready now to accept the first few members paying you. So I have a course on that, and I then teach you as well how to start signing the first few members paying you, so you start making money with your Skool membership program. In my 17 a month Skool, I have a course teaching you that, and you also get a weekly strategy Zoom class session with me and support from me in the community area of the 17 a month Skool, right? If you join the 17 a month right now and you open your Skool then through my guidance, through my link, right, I am gonna guide you on this journey. I'm gonna support you, and I'm gonna work with you so you really succeed, right? And when you join the 17 a month with me, I'm gonna also give you a strategy session where I sit down with you and I'm gonna get you with a plan and a feedback on your membership growth, right? And stuff like that, okay? Check the description right now and open your Skool with my link, and then you get access to I'll DM you on Skool then when I see that you opened your Skool. I'm gonna provide you with support, right? Join my 17 a month program as well if you want to come into it so you start creating and growing your membership program, right? And inside our community, we also support one another a lot. You're gonna see that we partner up amongst one another and we share audiences, we send each other referrals and stuff like that. So you can get access to new members also inside of the 17 a month program with me, right? So look around, go watch the video on the about page of what this program is all about, and open your Skool and let's touch base, okay? If you have any questions, comment under this video, subscribe to the channel as well, because I'm vlogging my growth journey, and you know, you can learn a lot from me growing my own membership program, and I'm happy to just interact with you all the time, share knowledge. I'm looking for people who we support one another here, we interact, right? We grow together and stuff like that, okay? So let's keep it up now.